His wife had wanted a wine crate coffee table for a very long time, and with her birthday coming up, he thought this was the perfect time. This Imgur user decided to use up some old scrap wood he had laying about. Some of the wood was from an old IKEA bed frame, but most of the wood is Douglas fir. With the first crate complete, it was time to take a picture. As you can see, he screwed each piece in. This is what the inside of the crate looks like as well. It looks very stable and should make a great coffee table. After assembling all 4 crates, he set them up to see how they lined up with each other. Once assembled, he realized he should have sanded them prior to assembly, so he had to do that step once the crates were completed. Once he managed to get all the crates sanded, he went to Lowe's to purchase some table legs and also some stain. He opted for a dark walnut because it would best match with the furniture they already had. After he had the wood stained, he realized he should have used a conditioner since fir and pine are unpredictable when applying stain. Once completed though, he felt the slight fading added to the look. He placed it in the living room while his wife was sleeping. When she woke up, she was so excited and she loved it. She loved it so much she asked him to make a matching end table. He followed a similar pattern for the matching end table. They decided to make it a storage bin also to help with the clutter that comes with having a 2-year-old. He used the same stain and table legs on the end table to give the furniture a more fluid look. This project looks a lot easier than I thought it would have been. It'd be even easier if you could get crates already assembled for you. When looking online, you can find wine crates for under $10. But if you have a local business that ships in crates, you may be able to get them at no cost. My coffee table's starting to show some wear and tear. This will be a fun project to keep on hand for when the time comes that it needs to be replaced. Plus, the matching end table will really pull it together.